Hello everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. It's no secret that Cardano is on the rise. The company's grown steadily since its founding to become one of the most successful cryptocurrencies in recent years. Cardano's once again become the scapegoat of scammers and hackers, as more investors pile their investments onto Cardano. The Cardano project has skyrocketed in popularity, and its founder, Charles Hoskinson, recently sent out an advisory warning to all crypto investors to stay on alert. In today's video, we're going to be discussing everything, ranging from rising doubts regarding Cardano's security to YouTubers demanding compensation from Charles Hoskinson. A lot has happened in the Cardano and crypto space over the recent months, and it seems that there's always something popping off on a daily basis. Will Cardano continue to be framed for crimes it didn't commit? Will the coin's value drop once again as we approach the end of 2021? Will Hoskinson continue listening to those baseless accusations against him and this project? Don't want to miss out on the future of Cardano? Then stick around until the end of the video. Before we get into specifics, let me introduce you to Charles Hoskinson. Nobody's unfamiliar with this guy, the brilliant star of the 21st century. Charles Hoskinson is the co-founder of Ethereum and Cardano, two extremely significant blockchain systems in today's cryptocurrency sector, and he's a Colorado-based technological professor and mathematician. He pursued number theory and mathematics logic at the University of Denver and the University of Colorado at Boulder, before going towards cryptography via industrial experience. He's now a renowned investor. In this video, we're going to see exactly what Charles Hoskinson's warning is, and how it will impact the price of Cardano. You've got to be aware of all of these hidden warnings right now, since they will all have an effect on your Cardano investment. Before we start though, if you like this type of content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you can never miss out any updates in the world of investing. Let's take a look at the statistics and see how ADA is coping so far. It looks like ADA finally got its act together. After such a strong push the last month or so, it appears that ADA is back in alignment and ready to go. But how did this happen? Cardano's price has gone on an amazing run over the last month, rising nearly 200% from $1 to $3. This was largely credited to their anticipation of smart contract capabilities going live, which only took them about 4 years. To everyone's surprise, Cardano's beta version went live last week and processed just one transaction per block, which is still way too slow. While looking at price movements over these past few weeks, we can see that ADA has nearly reached $3 when prices started going sideways again. However, earlier this morning, on October 1st, Cardano's ADA token broke through $3 for the first time, notching a fresh all-time high after being announced that its testnet supports smart contracts. The digital currency rose $10 from its opening value of $2.77 on September 1st, and more than 1,600% this year alone. At press time, it had pulled back slightly to trade at around $2.95 per coin, but we expect it to rise again soon. Cardano is now the fourth most valuable cryptocurrency in terms of market cap. This position is expected to grow, and that many in the DeFi industry anticipate a market value of more than $200 billion. The Cardano product obviously has a lot of trust and support in the crypto world. As Cardano attracts more and more investors, growing financial institutions are indicating that it should be monitored. Cardano is now delivering long-term and steady profits. Cardano is remarkably peaceful in comparison to other of the more turbulent initiatives in the crypto world. This is the kind of accomplishment that a future cryptocurrency leadership should aim for. This long-term mindset is also reflected in the project's principles. Now, coming back to our topic, Charles Hoskinson, founder of IOHK and Cardano, has warned ADA holders about the proliferation of scams in the cryptocurrency space. This person goes by the nickname Anti-Droga, and they accused Hoskinson of hacking his YouTube account and then appeared in a video. The IOHK founder is again accused of scamming users. But did that really happen? Believe it or not, this blogger is still going after giveaways. They don't understand that some people are just out to get your money. The hackers targeted the victim and then stole his account on YouTube. He followed a crypto ADA giveaway scam that left him at risk. The victim threatened the founder of IOHK and Cardano, Hoskinson, with making a report to the police and told him to give his account back. Both parties did not mention ADA, but it seems likely that ADA is involved since his creator is now impersonated. Hoskinson has also been threatened by YouTubers in India. Some popular YouTube vloggers from India accused him that he has hacked their YouTube accounts. It appears as though ADA giveaway schemes had taken place there too. Last week, Hoskinson posted a video about these scams and said that they'd increased in frequency since the price of ADA took off. He estimated them to be 10 times what they used to be at one point, and warned people not to get caught up with these tricks if they want their money's worth when investing in digital assets like Ethereum or Cardano. If you like this type of content, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new updates in the world of investing. Currently, IOG is striving to complete the process of onboarding third parties. The Cardano chain will have fully functional smart contract capabilities once that update is released. This significant milestone will place it on an equal footing with cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Polkadot, to mention a few. ADA has been setting fresh all-time highs as the end of the Alonzo rollout approaches in response. Fraudsters have rushed to the network in the hopes of getting a piece of the action, prompting Hoskinson to issue a warning to scammers seeking to abuse Cardano users, stating that there is a strong connection between price appreciation and scam activity. When big events, large-scale price appreciation, and a high level of volatility of forecast, frauds will skyrocket. Hoskinson released a video last week concerning giveaway scams, which he believes have increased in regularity since the price of ADA skyrocketed. They've grown by a factor of 10 in recent weeks, which is unfortunate since they occur on YouTube, which seems to be failing to act to shut them down. There isn't much that can be done to stop the issue. Similar to the introduction of Alonzo Ready, Hoskinson mentioned bogus app frauds that trick users into installing fraudulent wallets and applications under the guise of upgrading to Alonzo. Typically, money is taken after a consumer enters their passcode into the program. There will be a number of frauds based on people's misunderstanding of how updates operate. So, like he has done many other times, we've spotted multiple phony versions of Daedalus and other bogus Cardano apps in the Google Play Store. Hoskinson emphasized that IOG, its partner organizations, and representatives do not request passwords or secret keys, nor do they request that monitoring software be installed to assist with technical problems. To shut down fraudsters, crypto users must jointly accept the burden of becoming their own bank. Hoskinson also reminded his followers that he never gives away ADA. Hoskinson said, "We will never give ADA away. Your money will always be lost. Use your wits," he said, citing a video he produced in February on ADA giveaway frauds. He said at the time that he will never give away ADA under any circumstances, not one, not a million, none, and that if you fall for this, you will lose your own money. These people are crooks, they are con artists, they are thieves attempting to steal from you. Use some common sense. He also told victims that there was nothing he could do to help them. We can sue YouTube when they lose their ADA like Steve Wozniak is doing, but that's all. He went on to say that even the co-founder of Apple sued YouTube for enabling fraudsters to use his picture without their knowledge or permission, but little action had been taken by YouTube against them. Others, such as Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, have sued YouTube, but nothing came of it. As Crypto News Flash previously reported, Hoskinson has threatened to quit Twitter and YouTube if these sites do not halt the frauds. His company also threatened the platforms with a class action lawsuit. At the time, he said the answer for him may be to just leave the platforms and quit all social media to begin with, and that perhaps this is the solution that we are compelled to perform: self-deplatforming. We don't have anything for free, and we don't get it for free either, if you're greedy or dumb. That concludes today's videos, ladies and gentlemen, and we would also like to point out that this is not a channel designed to offer financial advice, and we do not encourage you to invest in any business. This is just a conduit for delivering instructional material to your door. With that in mind, before buying anything, we suggest that you do extensive study on the subject. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there!